Disclaimer. This gambling session was recorded in Malta. Please find out whether or not gambling is permitted where you are. Gambling is only allowed from the age of 18 and can be addictive. In the long run, you will lose money with gambling unless you are the casino boss.
Hello and welcome to a new video. Hola chicos, hola chicas, hola chicorinos. Let's go. Today I'm playing a round of Lightning Roulette. It's roulette with breast enlargement. I love this version of roulette. Last time I won 500,000, 500x. Check out the old video. It was fucking crazy. Come on. 29. First win for today. With Lightning Roulette you can make insane winnings. It's a crazy game.
Do I love my mom? No, that's my best friends. Yeah. Anyone else? Oh, right. The husband.
Number 29 would be amazing. Come on. 29. Number 1, okay, not bad. Evolution Gaming should ban the presenters from singing. Horrible, just horrible. Please don't sing. No. I bet 15,000 euros per round, which is almost $16,000. 4, 12 and 14, okay.
The only thing from Italian I know is grazie.
Another win.
That's it. Yeah.
Another win, another win.
Italian. Just know a couple of words. 2 placed on black, that's an even, and a low number 933. So
the third win in a row. Amazing, just amazing.
No more bets, let's go, my loves. Here we go.
Here we go, let's go. Number 1, number 6, number 30. Come on. Please, please. Nice. Look at this beautiful win. Look at this beautiful win. 50k. Nice win. 50x on 30. Amazing win. The presenter is pretty. Maybe it's the stewardess outfit. But the presenter seems a bit crazy. Maybe she's working. She's been working too long today. I don't know. Grazie mille. Mamma mia. 28. Okay. Unfortunately 28.
28 placed on black, that's an even high number, 891 total.
How do you like the game? Feel free to write it in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to write a comment below the video. Thank you very much. I've had a Twitter account for a few days. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. On Twitter you can see where I play and so on. The link to Twitter is in the video description. The link to Discord is also in the video description. There are competitions and much more. Number 1, come on, number 1, number 1, number 1. Please, 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 please. Oh no.
I do speak a tiny bit of Spanish because I have a 180-day streak in Duolingo. Yeah.
The cherry on the cake of the game is the multipliers.
True.
You can achieve highly high winnings with the multipliers.
High number, 1,004 total winners for each version and a mood. Congratulations to all of you and number bets. Listen, okay, I am allowed to have my opinions on Formula 1 drivers, okay?
Guys, red or black?
Lando would win. He's got 112, 23,
Red.
27, 33 with.
Red is the color of love, and I believe in love. Red. Come on. Number 1, please. Please, please, please. Number 8. Not bad, not bad. Another win.
No, actually, I've never been there. Does the season start? I think it was March, to be honest. Or like during late February, that might be. No, I think it's actually March, probably. 8 placed on black. That's an even number 974 total winners. Maltese, DA, and View. Congratulations to all of you.
Maltese,
champions.
that's me.
And let's go. Yeah. Something about that, something like that.
27. Come on. 50x on 27. Go, girl.
28. Good luck.
27, please. Please, 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 please. 22.
Yeah, that's why like the last races are like in very, you know, warm last races are in warm places. Like, you know, Vegas, there's the Qatar one and the Abu Dhabi. So yeah. 22 placed on black, that's an even high number. 862 total winners.
It's a trash number.
And Dennis, congratulations to all
Fuck.
the number bets. Let's go. But yeah, there's only 2 races left of the season, but we
Please no
already know
back to
who's
back.
champion, so
21, 22 sucks.
so we got 630 with 100x
30
Good luck.
or number 6. Come on. Number 1 again.
Rockets, don't you even dare. Don't you dare.
Another win.
Obviously, it needs to change. Come on. Like, I've been watching Formula 1 for like, well, I took a big break because I used to watch it with my dad. And then, yeah. For 4 years, I've been constantly watching Formula 1. And this is what I see. Oh. Anyways, 762 total winners. Compliments to you guys. And bets. And like during this
She's
whole
talking
time,
like a waterfall. Crazy.
it was either winning,
9, 20,
you know, the hopes of
22.
winning, or like now Lando Norris. Come on. Here we got 9, 20,
How old
22,
are you?
200x on 22. Good luck.
You cannot ask a girl.
NW. I am
About.
21 years old. 35 placed on black.
That's not a gentleman. That's not a gentleman. Never ask a lady about her age.
Okay.
Okay, guys. The last round for today.
If you're gonna listen,
Thank you very much for watching. There will be a new video every 2 days until the following video. Have a good one. See you soon. 34 would be amazing. Go, girl. Please, 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 please.
100x on 35. Good luck.
Number 27. One of my favorite numbers. Have a good one. Adios, amigos. Finito, bandito. I'm out for today. Bye, bye. Peace. Ciao.
Winners, where am I from? I'm from Latvia, baby. What about you? It's Maltese, DA.